think these are big larges?
World's tallest fountain. Fountain Hills, Arizona. It's pretty majestic.
You get the lens.
Yeah. Oh, that's why I can't see it.
I hope this is big. My tits look too big.
Here we are at the tallest fountain in the world. Now that we got the lens cut off.
Hey. That's my.
Is that backwards?
That's my last.
Oh God. That's your founder,
my body
CEO. Now I get the fountain found.
Hold on.
This is a beautiful picture. You guys should be in front of it instead of these idiots. I want to see some PDG.
Yeah, get this.
Yeah, you know me. I got backward P.